Hey everyone, today I will show you how to log chats on WhatsApp. Don't forget subscribe and like before we begin. Alright, let's get started. First, open WhatsApp, then select a contact you want to enable chat log at. Then, tap on their name and scroll down till you see chat log option and tap on it. So now I will lock this chat via my fingerprint, and here is a notice saying that logged chats won't be locked on my linked devices such as WhatsApp desktop or WhatsApp web. To access the logged chats, close and reopen WhatsApp, then scroll to the top till you see a new option will appear called Logged Chat. Now tap on it and you have accessed the logged chat. To disable logged chat, all you need to do is tap on the contact that logged their chat. Then tap on their name and scroll down to chat log and tap on it. Then disable with your fingerprint. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you.